Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add items to cart on Shein. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Shein app over here. Once you have done that, this is how the interface gonna look like. Now go ahead, choose a category for you to choose product and add it to your cart. Once you have chosen the product, go ahead, tap on it. And then once you have tapped on it, this is how you can check it out, your products and the colors. Once you're done having your product, tap on add to cart option, which is given just right over here. Go ahead, tap on add to cart. You have to differ according to the product. For this I need to choose a color, so I'm going to choose a color, and then I'm going to tap on add to cart, and there we go, the product has been added to cart. Now I can do that to any other products as well. I can simply choose to tap on it. Right, once I've tapped on it, I can just go ahead, tap on add to cart again, and there you go, my product has been added. Again, if I simply would like, I can simply choose to go through the reviews as well and check out the products accordingly and the goods at the over here. And once I have got a desired product that I would like to simply get, tapping on it and tap on add to cart, and that is everything. Once I have chosen the one, I'm going to be tapping on the add to cart option, and there you go. That's how easy it is. Once I have done that, I'm going to tap on this option of cart on top, and there you go, my product has been added on the cart, and I can check it out. I can delete it if I want. Simply by tapping on it, my products will be deleted as well, and that is it. So hope this video helped you all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.